Hey everyone, Eddie Campos here with Maintenance 101, and today I want to talk to you about the most expensive repair or replacement you have in a home. It's not your roof, it's not your furnace and AC, it's your foundation, and it's also one of the easiest things to take care of. If you have a block foundation, which is what exists on most older homes prior to about the 1990s, then a block foundation can allow for movement to happen in the wall. So what we need to make sure we do is make sure that we eliminate any moisture on the outside of the home from coming in. And we want to make sure that the pressure of the dirt on the outside is not pushing hard on the wall. So if you have a poured foundation wall, which is what most newer homes are, that's 8 inches thick of solid concrete with rebar on the inside. That totally eliminates a lot of problems for shifting to happen. It eliminates cracks from being able to happen. So if you do have a poured wall that has some cracks, 9 times out of 10, it's where the foundation forms came together, and when they pulled them apart, it created a slight crack. Usually not a big problem. But if you've got a block wall, these are some things that you can do to help take care of it on a regular basis. So first and foremost, look up. The gutter system is the most important part of your foundation. So you want to make sure that your gutters are cleaned on a regular basis. So if you live in a neighborhood like I do, the trees are everywhere. I've got a gigantic oak tree in my backyard. I've got a beautiful maple in the front yard. But always around fall, you've got all of these leaves that start to collect, and they can continually add a problem. Make sure that your gutters are cleaned on a regular basis. So in my case, I have to clean my gutters at least 3 to 4 times a year. If you have fewer trees around, once a year should be enough. But check that out for the first couple of years and make sure that you're on top of it. Second, you want to make sure that the gutters are in place, that they're maintained correctly, that you don't have them slipping and falling, and you don't have gutter spikes that are loosening up and they're coming off the home. So make sure that the gutters themselves are in good shape. Also, make sure that the downspouts are there. So your downspout comes next to the home. It's pulling the water out of the gutter system and then shooting it away from the home, typically at a corner. So make sure that those downspouts are in great shape and they're not disjointed, so that way the water's not sitting next to your foundation. Next, you want to have a 3-foot extension off those downspouts to shoot the water away from the home. So you want to have a slight decline coming off of that, so that way the water can flow away naturally. And then you also want to have a positive grade of dirt around your home. So an easy way to do this is create some nice landscaping on your home. So if you don't have any landscaping there, yes, that first time that you put that in, that could tend to be a little expensive, but it'll make it an easy way for you to be able to maintain a positive grade of dirt around your home. Next, if you've got windows on your foundation, make sure that there's a window well in place. So they're about, I think, 10 to 12 inches thick. They can either come in steel or plastic. They mount to the outside of the foundation wall. They're bolted in place, and that way you can lift the dirt up around the foundation wall and not have any issues of blocking those windows. Doing those things helps eliminate any moisture from collecting around the foundation itself. So you eliminate the possibility of water issues from the inside. You're also eliminating a lot of issues that could happen, like stair step cracks or horizontal cracks, which are the worst. That means the dirt is pushing in against your wall. So not only do you end up with a foundation problem, you also end up with a problem on the outside of your upper wall because it's moving the other way. I hope this information was helpful for you. If you guys have any questions, first and foremost, reach out to a contractor, reach out to a home inspector, or if you don't know of anyone to talk to, please give me a call. I can refer you to someone. You can reach me at 419-367-2667. I hope you guys have an awesome day.